Hi friends. I think last video we saw about object-oriented programming. Lot of concept like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, all those. So let's see one use case or one example with the Python. Oops, object-oriented programming covers all the concept. Okay, let me try to no have one program which covers all these examples. So we are very clear about inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, static, and class methods. Okay. So first, let's think about a program. Okay. Let me start writing the program from ABC. Let's import the abstraction method. Okay. Import ABC abstract method. Okay, I'm importing two things. One is ABC and then abstract method. So as you know, OOPS is all about how you are handling the objects and methods. So this is for abstraction. Okay, so abstraction is I already told you. So first we will have class and object, class object, and also we will add a constructor. Okay, constructor. Constructor. So class animal ABC, where we can have this is abstract base class where define init. So this is the self dot name, right? Self dot type, self type we can add self dot type, self dot self dot underscore type should come type type which is equal to unknown. We will keep it unknown. Then self dot. So type is coming here. I think let me use this type so that there won't be any challenges with the program. Okay, so unknown. Then I will remove this type. Then self dot secret. Self dot secret. Secret will come underscore underscore secret. Self dot underscore underscore secret equal to secret. We can have it as some kind of text. We can have something as a secret. Okay, some private attribute. So this is called as public attribute. Attribute. Now we are using this is as a private or protected attribute. And this as a private attribute. Right? So let me go for a method creation. Okay. So now we have a method class, or we can say instance method. Okay. So instance method, we can have speak self, print self name. Okay. Or we can actually have return statement instead of print. return f colon. We will need to use the curly brackets because we will give self name. Uh, okay, so self name. We will make this make here. So animal noise I am trying to make a sound. Okay, finish. Now let's see abstraction. Abstraction. Okay, so instance method you saw. We can create any many number of instance method. For abstraction, what we have to do? First, we have to declare the abstract method. Then we need to define the method self. Then what we can say, we can actually pass it for now. Then we can have encapsulation. Encapsulation, right? My spelling is correct, I hope. It's fine. Then we can have a method of get, or what we can say get underscore secret self. So this also we can say return the protected actually, or protected the private attribute actually. Okay. So now we will have class method. Okay. Class method. So class method, how you will say, you will define a method. So what method you will define? Animal info, for example, info. So here you have to put class. Instead of self, we are putting class. So now return, we will just add a return statement like no animals are living creation or something. So animals are living creatures, right? Something like that. Okay. So then we will see uh, what method? Static method, right? So after class method, let's add a static method. So in static method, we will have the declaration static method, right? Then we will have that method kingdom, something we can add, right? Kingdom, then we can have return kingdom. So we should have this like this actually, the syntax return. What we'll put some return of kingdom return, some return is fine. Then after static method, we will have inheritance. I'm trying to cover all the topics of OOPS, which we saw in the last two videos. Now class dog is an animal. Okay, dog. Then I will have a, so for inheritance, we have to create a class so that we can inherit super init name. Then we will self dot say breed, like brand. We used to say breed in dogs equal to breed. Then we have self dot type equal to dog. Yeah, we can say dog or we can say mammal. Okay. So breed we can add here also so that it, because it is showing red, right? Name we have declared, the breed we have not declared. So then this type, right? This super init. This is called call parent constructor. So we are calling the parent constructor, right? So we are calling the parent constructor. Okay. Okay. Then actually next we will see polymorphism with the same maybe example. polymorphism. Okay, so def we will add def speak, because what is polymorphism? It's a overriding actually. We are overriding the existing method. So return some return def move. So we will override move return self name to self breed. Okay. So it is better we change the statement so that you guys we will understand what it is overwriting. So here we will have some print statement saying that self name, uh, self name maybe barks, right? And here we can have self name as a runs. Maybe dog is like four legs something. Okay, so we are overriding the method that is the polymorphism. Then we can write a class. We need to override a class. Since we are overriding the class, let's see, let's put it like this. Class. So animal, we have a class. So we say we can create a class called say bird, and then we can use animal inside the bird, right? And then we can def move maybe self return. We will change it like bird will fly, right? Fly on skies, something like that. Okay. Think dog is here, so it should go, the class should go here, should go here, this should go here. Class, why animal is not taking inheritance, right? So we need to bring the animal here. So actually this formatting I'm making some mistake. That's why. Okay, so now let's bring this everything step. This is polymorphism. So now this class will go in the main. Okay. Class. I was about to say birds, right? Birds. Okay, finish. So we have done the polymorphism. Okay. So then we can what is the next one? Which we say object creation and demonstration. We can add object creation and demonstration. How to create the objects basically. Okay. So let's say dog equal to dog. Okay, dog equal to so dog name and dog breed. So name we can say golden retriever, maybe golden retriever, golden retriever. Okay, retriever. Then this is object creation. We have created a object. Okay, then bird. Uh, So another class what we created bird. Okay. So the first class is bird, the second sorry dog, the second class is bird. So dog underscore move. So before doing that, we will just try to use print class so that we can differentiate. So now we will call all the methods, method calling methods. Okay. So first print. Okay, first what method we will call? Okay, we will come in the order what we did. First say dog speak. This is what? Dog speak, which is polymorphism, right? If you see here, we have given dog speak. Okay, dog equal to bark, dog equal to. So dog speak, I'm printing. Let's see what it does, right? Then we will have print bird speak, right? Bird speak is what? Inheritance. Inheritance, inherited from animal. So here you can see the class bird, right? Which is inherited from the animal. So bird dot speak. Then what we have print dog dot move. So what is print dog dot move? Which is the overridden move, right? So where we overridden dog dot move. If you see here, we have overridden the dog dot move. Okay, here we have a move, which is an abstract method. Okay, so here if you see move, we have a we have overridden with animal. So we are saying so here there's a method and we are overriding birds in animal. We are overriding the move method. Okay, can see right. So we have overridden it. Then what we have overridden? We have overridden actually the move in bird also. So this is where it is. It actually this is the bird's own move, right? So basically, bird dot move. It's a one method, but it is inherited from animal. So we are printing both actually. Okay. What is the third print? Dog dot move we already used. So dog dot move why it is coming anyway. We will not use it. So we will use dog dot secret get secret, which is the encapsulation method. Dog dot get secret, right? What is this? This is the encapsulation. Encapsulation, right? So what is encapsulation? Basically, you are accessing the private data. So if you see secret, get secret, so this is the secret. We cannot directly print it. We have to use that getter method. Okay, so that is what we are trying to. We have done it here, which is the getter method we have seen in the previous class. Then what we have print, yeah, bird secret we can use, correct? Bird, or instead of adding the secret, we can use dog dot animal info. What is this dog dot animal info? This is our class method. So which is our class method? If you see here, we have given the class method as animal info. Then what we have after the class method, we have static method, which is animal, which is the kingdom basically. So we will try to kingdom, but we have to call that method also. Let's print the static method also. Print it is showing actually dog dot kingdom. This is the static method, right? We will run the program. So you can see that the first is the polymorphism, which is dog dot speak. If we see dog dot speak, where is dog dot speak? So this is define speak. So here if you see, uh, so let me show you dog dot speak. So dog dot speak. So when you say dog dot speak, it is coming from this method. Okay. So from the polymorphism, basically, so class dog, we have inherited from the parent class. So returning the dog name as a self dot name, which is buddy dot barks. So where we have this method. Second one is the bird dot speak, which is the inherited from animal. That is very straightforward. You can see in inheritance. So if you see here, right, speak makes the sound like bird makes the sound. So if you see, it is we have this method, instance method, which actually should come self dot name should be the name which we are passing. But what happens here is, let me show you that inheritance part. So so where we are inheriting actually dog bird dot speak, bird makes the sound, right? So if you see bird speak, so here we have a speak, then where is bird, our bird class. This is our bird class. From the animal, we have inheriting it. Okay. Then we have move. Buddy runs on four legs. So where is that? Here it is. Move. Buddy runs on four legs in the polymorphism. Okay. So this is then we are saying bird dot move. It will use this class inherited by animal and says birds flies on skies. Okay. Then we have the secret, which is encapsulation, which is whatever value we are given here, a secret value. So that has been passed. Then we are giving the animal info, which says animals are creatures. Where this animal info is coming, that is from the class method. There is a class method. Then we have the static method, which is return kingdom. Okay, so here it is return kingdom. So these are the basic object-oriented programming in Python. I think I quickly try to recap everything what we went through in previous two classes or videos. I hope you understand the concepts. Don't worry about the format or syntaxing. You have to be able to say that what is polymorphism, what is encapsulation, what is inheritance, and what is no static method or a class method. So understand all this concept. Hope you got something from this class or video. Thank you guys. Bye. If you have any doubts, do comment. Thank you. Bye.